guys, what's up? This is Myka, and as you can see, I film a few videos on the same day just to save time. Say hi to BTS. Okay guys, I'm gonna share to you one of my best buy ever in my entire life. Since I am really into doing makeup, practicing makeup at home, like doing it on myself, before I bought one of these. It's a battery power mirror, but as you can see, power's gone. Like, I already changed set of batteries for like 3 times already for this one, and I realized that it's so tiresome, and every battery costs for like 100 or like 90 pesos. So I searched one of those in Shopee, those LED vanity bulbs, and guess what? I found the very best one. This one! I got it below like 500, 400 something. This is a screenshot of before receiving the order. It has 12 bulbs and it's made of plastic, so it will not be broken, or in case it will fall, just fall down. It has sticker pad just for you to stick those bulbs on your mirror. You can use your old mirrors and then just stick it out and arrange all the bulbs, and it is powered through USB, so it's really easy. And here's a video of me putting all the bulbs, and it has an extra sticker, by the way, in case the first sticker you use lost its adhesive strength or whatever it's called. So yeah. So this is how I put it. This is my mirror, and it's really safe because it's plastic, and it's So just gonna fix all the wires later though, but I'm just gonna show you how it works. It has USB connector, so I'm just gonna use my JBL speaker charger. Let's see. Oh wow. You can lower it down and you can hang it up. Oh, this is amazing. I really recommend you this, guys, so I'm gonna drop the link below, and thanks for watching. Bye.